daming pinagdaanan namin na nitong year. Parang pinaramdam namin sa isa't isa na pinaramdam namin na family kami sa loob ng team, hindi lang yung teammates lang. Parang, ayun, sobrang sarap na pakiramdam na andyan sila palagi sa likod mo. Kahit manalo, matalo, andyan sila palagi motivate.
And Coach, time and time again, talked about how great of a player Ken is. Pero for you lang po sa Coach, how does it feel to hear from her mismo na she's still committed to have one last fight for USD to win the championship back to
Lahat ng mga bata sa UST talaga walang superstar mentality. Stay grounded, working hard every day in, day out. I think yung kagaya ni Ken na maiiwan one more year for UST says a lot na masaya siya sa UST. Pinagmamalaki niya yung programa namin. Kung si Taki may isang taon pa yan, lalaro pa yan sa akin. So, ano lang, happy lang ako as a coach. Again, nagpapasalamat ako sa buong UST community that went here to support and cheer for us. But unfortunately, we fell short. Babawi po kami next season sa mga sumusuporta to our managers, sa IPEA family, kay Father Rodel Cansancio, to Father Rector Ang. From day one that I've been here sa UST, hanggang ngayon po, all out support po sila. So, nagpapasalamat.